tomorrow, Carlo, Sky and Tommaso are going off to Lisbon for a few days, leaving me behind with Holly. Where is Holly? And I decided I would go and visit Celine again, so I'm going to drive up to Tuscany today. It's a bit different packing to go away for a few days in the winter than in the summer, because you have to bring so much more heavy clothes and things. So Carlos had to help me carry the stuff to the car, because obviously it's a 20-minute climb up a mountain and I couldn't do it on my own. You're so miserable. There you go, safe. Thank you for carrying my bags.
You're welcome.
We've come into the centre of Lucca to have a walk around, see all the Christmas lights and have a hot chocolate. This is a new art installation that's just appeared.
Same size as his foot.
Holly doesn't like it in the city. She drags her little feeties. So Celine is carrying her, the spoilt animal.
I'm not sure for how long because she's rather heavy.
So cleverly, I forgot my dog lead, which I do a lot, believe it or not, and I had to pop into a shop and get one made for me. So she has a lead made from gift wrap and it's just basically a ribbon from a cashmere shop that I've just bought a pink scarf in. It's much chicer than the piece of string I got from the grocery shop earlier. I'm not really sure what part of Lucca we're in, but it's so quiet everywhere. Is there something happening in the world that we don't know about? Where is everybody? Well, it is weirdly quiet in Lucca. There's not such amazing Christmas lights here, so we've decided to abort mission and go get pizza. We are at Bimboto's. This is where I had the famous pizza with potato, rosemary, gorgonzola and zucchini.
No, mine's zucchini.
Zucchini, gorgonzola e patate.
Ah, okay.
See, yeah, that's right. And so we've stopped here. Celine is eating carciofi, which is artichoke. And we've got a plate of fried bits of vegetables and chicken and rabbit and stuff. And we've got pizza coming too. So buon appetito.
Buon appetito.
Enjoy!
Grazie.
Our pizza has arrived. Celine's half has sausage, zucchini and scamorza.
Yep.
And my side has zucchini potatoes, rosemary and gorgonzola. Yum. This morning, Celine and I have come to Livorno with the dogs. There is a big indoor food market here, and we thought it would be the perfect place to go and pick up some food and get some lunch and have a look around. It's a beautiful sunny day, by the way, but it's only about 6 degrees. It's pretty cold in Italy at the moment. We have brought both of the beasts with us. We stopped off for breakfast because we still hadn't had any breakfast this morning, so we've come into this little bar. I've got a really nice little pastry that I've never had before. It's half eaten already, but it's got warm ricotta inside and it's lovely. So there is also a little daily market here. This is just the usual clothes and curtains and random crap that you don't need. So this is the entrance to the indoor market. It is massive. It's a huge, huge building. So I'm very excited to see what they've got in there. Let's go inside. So these sort of markets would basically be used in place of a supermarket. You would come here, you've got butchers, you've got bakers, you've got fruit and vegetables, cheeses, specialities, there's everything you can imagine here. It's much more fun than shopping in a supermarket. So Holly has seen the butchers and she will not come with me because she's so used to the butcher in Positano who gives her a treat every time we go there. She's waiting for her treat. Look, come on. He's not going to give you anything. Celine is picking up some porcini mushrooms here, and they also have ready portioned bags to make minestrone soup. So we're going to get one of them as well.
Uno? Sì.
There's also a whole section dedicated to fish, so this is the fish market. That's it.
We came to see the food market, but then we saw the shopping street. So where are we?
Yeah.
On the shopping street.
Yeah, I'm starved of shopping because obviously in Positano there's not really any like mainstream shops, and I hardly ever go. So when I do see a shop, I get quite excited. But yeah, we had a quick walk around the food market. Now we're going to walk around the shops for a while, and then we're going to go to this what's it called? What was it called?
I can't remember the name of it.
Terrazza Panoramica. There's a panoramic viewpoint of the sea. So I've never seen the sea in this area, so we'll go and have a look at that afterwards as well. Now this could be dangerous. Let's have a look. We have completely given up on shopping. It was not the right moment to shop. And we've come to have a look at the sea. We're at the Terrazzo. I keep forgetting what it's called. Celine keeps forgetting what it's called as well. And a nice big bandstand in the middle. Two crazy guys, look, they've just jumped in the sea and they're going for a swim. Oh. It's pretty cold today, but each their own. And they haven't even got wetsuits on. It must be freezing. Almost like a natural pool here, but I don't think it quite is.